Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be vlogging for the rest of the school year. Excuse me, a burp. So without further ado, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and also to turn my post notifications on so you guys can get notified every single time I post a new video. And also follow my social media down below so you guys can see what I do outside of the camera in front of my face. You know what I mean? I think you should. I really think you should. So we're gonna continue on with this video. Basically what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the day is preparing for my finals that I'm having all week except for Friday. So we have finals Tuesday to Thursday. Tomorrow's our last day. I also have the makeup finals, so tomorrow really isn't my last day of finals, so it's great. Tomorrow's our last day to bring our book bag, so I won't be bringing my book bag, which is really cool because then, I don't know, to me, like whenever I don't have to bring my book bag or something, I get ready faster because I'm like, no book bag for me. Alright, big package. Okay. I will get back with you guys later, most likely tomorrow. So I'm currently on my way to the bus stop right now. We don't have to bring our book bags, but I brought a small book bag because I like to apply perfume and stuff throughout the day because it doesn't seem to stay on, so yeah. Plus I have some gifts to give to my best friends and I'm so excited. I'm gonna get their reactions and it's gonna be just the perfect day as long as they come in the morning. I'm testing today, so I won't really be vlogging that much. I'll try my best to, like, throughout when we're not testing. But good morning. It's really early and I did my hair differently today. I'll end up showing you guys when I get to school. Okay, ready? Go.
Wait, how do you open it? Oh, shoot.
That was a good read.
Sad.
Huh?
Wait, it's like this. Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh, you will?
Bye.
Alright guys, so I'm back. I just came back from the UPS. We're about to open this. Thank you. And it will fit my body more. But oh. Alright. Hi, this is Alyssa. I'm going to play Apex with her. It's gonna be lit. We're about to win. Whoa! Sandra, you wanna be in my vlog? That's so weird! Hi, this is Siacha. Hi. This is I. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Ew, don't cry!
Oh, Jackie, period.
Whoa, you're crying. Oh, don't cry.
Stop doing this because you don't want to. But next week.
You have to do it first.
Press.
Bro.
Go.
Give me a second to read that.
Jackie.
Hold on.
Her face. Oh.
You want to be my vlog?
You're just a hater.
Even though it wasn't earlier.
So guys, we're about to head to the pool. It's really hot, so I wanted to go today, especially with my sisters. We're about to leave, and I'll see you guys there.
Take her mind.
Oh, you no fucking way. That's fucking
What is it? I love you.
It's a fishing pole.
What was that? I'm gonna stop down before I get, copyrighted. So it is currently Saturday. I'm about to take a quick shower, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not gonna be filming today for the rest of this day, but what I will be doing is filming tomorrow, or if I don't film tomorrow, I'll be filming on Tuesday and Wednesday, the last 2 days of school, because Monday is Memorial Day. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. So because those are the last 2 days of school, and I started this vlog late, so I think so. I don't remember which day I started it on. So I just wanted to let you guys know that so that you guys aren't confused. So this video right here, by the time you guys see it, it'll be uploaded by Wednesday. Ooh. And I ooh. Guys, so today's the last day of school, so I'm going to be doing a get ready with me as quick as possible because I still have to go to school. I'm going to take a really quick shower. But good morning. It is currently like 6 something, so we're going to do this. We really are. I'm about to do the rest of my hygiene, so I'm about to do my teeth, then I'm going to wash my face, and then I'm going to go on to my hair. I have my lip oil on, and then I have my hair in 2 pigtails. So we're at school now. We're just going over these weird bumps that they put here, and I'll try and vlog. I'm definitely gonna try and vlog today. So I hope that, especially today, because this is our last day. That's crazy. Hola, senoritas and senors. Marissa, come here. You know what's weird? That we all sat in the same lunch and we're all graduating together. That's weird. If you didn't know, this is my best friend. She's leaving forever.
Oh wait, Simon, I can't hear you.
I'm really sad.
Oh, don't say that. I'm gonna cry. This is my best friend.
That's what happened in my first period.
It's hot as heck.
We have to learn the rest of the dances, but I can't find
Which
them.
one? Oh, I have screen recorded one of them.
Okay.
Dance. Okay, bye.
You did it. Ayana said that we should go see Ma.
Oh, but apparently cold.
Guys, this is my best friend, and even though she's leaving. Guys, this is our last day of school! I can't believe that! We're on our way to go take pictures with all of our friends.
Oh, you always put it up. Yeah.
So guys, I just got back from school. I am done school. That's crazy to be saying. I have Tic Tac in my mouth. That's crazy to be saying. I'm done school. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.